If the devil could cast his net. Morning, Rev Bomb.
Morning, everybody. But I forgot you.
Morning, Slow.
Put that right in a minute.
Look who's arrived there.
Hello,
Steve, the extra rider.
Look at all these cameras. Oh my
Filming
God.
me.
I feel like Michael
Filming
Jackson.
you. Joe, kind of go.
No.
Steve, Dorset rider.
Yeah, I'm quite a good runner.
We don't talk about that prick. It's Mr. Ice Diddy.
Why is my video got his voiceover?
He's from Yeovil, you know.
I have to fill up about 3 times first. What's going on
bastard.
Meep, meep. Fucking road runners off. The road runners off. Meep, meep.
Hey, let's go.
Meep, meep. Where are we going? Sainsbury's.
Sainsbury's.
You're clear.
I bet Nigel's thinking about a duo Mars bar right now.
That's to top him right up on the full
Go on,
breakfast.
change. Go red, you bastards.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Mind the drain.
I'm stuck at the lights.
What?
Yeah, I know. It's always mine. We're all through.
All through?
Yep.
What's that?
Makes a
Nigel's
change,
following
doesn't
through.
Yeah,
Again. Again. Was that 2 big bags of dog poo in the middle of the road?
Well,
It looks like it,
That's
yes.
shit like my Rottweiler. It's like another mini roundabout.
I thought it was your fun bags in the road.
Oh, that dog's only got one eye. No, he ain't. He's walking in backwards. Oi, that's a little thing, look.
Bless it.
Little twinkle toes.
Yeah.
It's like fucking walking along and doing river dance all at the same time. You listen to this NC take off though. Look at that.
Yeah.
Lovely, isn't it, eh? I bet your gunties are all wet now, and they Nick.
Yeah. I'm in face without fucking ditch pump in front.
Certainly built for power. There's the old gates of the Poltimore estate, look. So the whole of this was all part of this manor house that's no longer there, that's burnt to death. If you have a little glance to the right, wankers, motorway wankers. That's the best way to see a motorway, from a distance.
Exactly.
Steve's gone all adventure bike, look.
He has, isn't he?
I have to have words with him, that's not permitted. There's the old Poltimore, look.
Oh yeah, Poltimore.
That's always good for a photo. See that, Stu? This was a big manor house that had a massive fire, and they started doing it up. Got quite a way through the renovations on it, and then I think it was a couple of kids they did in the end for it. They set fire to it again. So it's they're trying to raise funds to redo it again. But we're going to pull in there quickly, just to have a gander. Find that loose shite there.
Yeah. Here we go.
The old Bint's waving at you in the garden there.
Oh,
She was
coffee.
waving her. I think on the way back she'll have her gunties off and throwing them at Nick.
Lovely.
Come back!
They're mine. Yeah.
Now they did have all the scaffolding up with a roof, and it was all undercover so that they could do the restoration. And in the last fire, all the scaffolding melted and bent, and but I mean, hell of a place when it was Still a manor house. Yeah. Get a photo of the old relic and the house.
Yeah, last time we come here, all the scaffold was still up. It was warped to hell, wasn't it?
Yeah, the last time we were here, it still had the roof on, wasn't it? And all the scaffolding was bent under the heat. But as I say, they started renovating it. Was starting to get a good sort of foothold on it. And then I think it was a couple of kids got done for setting fire to it again. I think I'm going to fart. Oh, are they supposed to have lumps in them?
No, they're definitely not supposed to have lumps in farts.
Right, you ready for some wrong turns?
Yeah.
Misturnings?
Foul language.
I think the next one is the Anchor Pub for coffee, isn't it? I'm just wondering, is it going to be open?
Where the sign is for Bradnet,
Yeah.
there's normally a copper with a gun.
There's going to be what?
There could be a copper with a gun.
Right.
Right? Do you know that?
Yeah.
Right, go on then.
Copper with a gun, so watch yourself.
Where? Where's a copper with a gun?
I don't know. Hit the sign for somewhere.
I say, Joe reminds me of a gendarme with the Tour de France.
Yes, he does, doesn't he? Oh, Steve's kicking up a bit of gravel.
There she is. She's going to wave her gunties at you, Nick. Telling you.
Right, well, here it is for the first time on British television, indeed, television anywhere in the world. That naughty number, banned in 1971, but here for your delectation in 85. Ladies and gentlemen, St. Cecilia!
Yeah, so all of this would have been all the estate from that place.
Yeah.
SloRida's here twice.
Yeah, so Stuart, I think you're going to get mentioned more than anyone today, aren't you?
No, I think Gunties will get the most mentions.
Shit in the middle of the road.
Ugh.
Hey, proper Devon roads.
Lovely, isn't they?
Till you go round the bend, there's a load of shit or cow shit or a car coming.
Grease,
You're going to get them on the bend. Oh, there's a puddle.
This classes as a motorway in Cornwall.
Right, junction here, we're going right.
I don't know if...
You're clear. Still clear.
Yep.
In a minute, that turning you can see it at 0.7 miles
Yep.
on the map. It is quite a tight, it comes back on you slightly, but the junction itself has got loads of loose grit if you cut it tight, so go out a little bit round it.
I mean, oh, pothole right over it. I mean, with any luck, it'll be off camber, uphill.
off the bike.
Yeah.
And somebody hopefully will capture it.
Right, just watch the loose grit on this fucker.
Lovely little junction.
Just mind all this shit, look. God, look at the colour of that soil.
Beautiful.
Todger's Tours, the Devon edition.
That bike of Steve's does sound nice with that Black Widow exhaust on it.
It does.
It sounds lovely, doesn't it?
It just doesn't go with the bike, does it? You don't expect it to make that noise.
You'd think that was a lot bigger bike than it is.
Yeah.
I wonder if Steve's is the Go Up in Flames edition.
Also, you got 2017, isn't it? So.
Yeah, it's definitely a special edition, isn't it? That one, Bonfire Night edition. Car!
Car. I mean, she could have stopped, but no.
Yeah.
Silly cow. Yeah.
Clearly she couldn't.
I think she needs a unicorn on the windscreen.
Yeah. Just fucking smack one on there quick as you go by. Jogger on the left. I said jogger, not dogger. Now look at that for a convoy behind me. Beautiful. I mean, the good thing is we've not had any talk of Magnolia and fucking Roman roads and...
Yeah.
There's always time.
I'll let your fucking tyres down.
After we stopped and assisted you with your puncture,
I know.
how can you think about letting our tyres down? Exactly.
I was expecting the Top Gear attitude and for them to just keep going.
We thought about it, and then we thought, no, it's more fun to stop and watch.
You just wanted to see me rimming a hole, didn't you?
Yeah. On your knees.
Christ, look at the motors here.
Yeah.
That's some money sat and stopped there, isn't there?
It is.
Bloody hell.
Okay, I think we're coming into the weather.
Yes. As we head north, I don't think the drones will be going up, will they?
Nope.
This is where we had that slight little detour the other week,
Oh,
didn't we?
there's a man walking in the bush. Oh! Oh! Mushroom farts. So what do you want to do? Put your cameras away?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not got the waterproof covers on.
Well, this should have been a sunny, scenic route with all the views.
Yeah, it should have been.
Am I right in thinking, Nick, that we came along this road and we were supposed to turn left, and Nige had was it a bike or a car in his sights? He went, "Okay, I'm having him straight past the junction, wasn't it?"
It was a gang of teenagers on their 125s.
They're having it.
And he went sailing on past the left turn, which we had just spoken about moments before.
Yeah, and he agreed that we were going left.
We thought they're having it. So, of course, a lot of this footage is going to have raindrops all over the lens, isn't it?
It
Yep.
is, yes.
Raindrops keep falling on my lens.
You see, you say your brain never switches off, Steve. I mean...
Yeah. Not only has he got two voices, he must have two brains competing with each other.
Well, I don't know about that.
Well, I didn't say they worked.
No.
They were just competing against each other.
Right, anything flying through over here? Look at that. I mean, we give you scenery. Joe, do you want to do your cameras? All right, I'll go in here and then mind the drain covers.
11.7 miles, first faff.
First faff stop.
Not bad going, is it?